Hey guys, so we have the Star Tower airdrop, the Mira, which is the Lumira airdrop, as well as the Delta airdrop. The Star Tower airdrop, they raised $50 million in funding. That sounds heavy, right? Which is why you shouldn't miss this mining. These three airdrop that I've mentioned, they are mining apps. They are not the pin, they are not you don't need to download the extension or what have you. What you need to do here is to download the mining app and start mining. The Star Tower raised $50 million in funding under seed funding. And Delta app, which looks like a Pi mining app. This is the Delta app. This is what the Delta app looks like. And we also have the Mira app. These three mining apps are what I will be explaining in this video. And if you are yet to get started on them, because I've shared it on my Telegram community, if you are not there yet, you can check the link to my Telegram channel in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. So to get started on any of these apps that I've mentioned, these three mining apps, this Star Tower, Mira mining app, and Delta mining app, check the registration links in the description box of this video. Download the app and start mining. For iOS devices, so I think one of these app is not yet on iOS yet. For Star Tower rather, the Star Tower app is not yet on iOS. So if you are doing cryptocurrency, it just means that you have to also have an Android device. That's what it means. So I don't want to start answering, well, we don't have it on iOS. There's nothing I can do about iOS device. I'm not the developer. What you need to do is to also have an Android device. If you are using iOS device, also have an Android. That's what I do. So if you don't want to miss out on any opportunity, it's just best, even if it is a small Android device, you should have it so that you can be taking advantage of the ones that are not on App Store yet. So hopefully the Star Tower will come on iOS because their funding is very high, $50 million. So I see them coming to App Store, but I can't tell you guys when. So for the iOS, for the Android miners, just proceed and start mining. That's one advantage. It's just like what Core did, Core. So same thing. So for those people that have been having issues downloading this Delta mining app, this is an app like Pi. I've made an explanation in my live stream that I did, the live stream that I did last. I made an explanation on how to sign up comfortably, like seamlessly on this mining app. What you need to do is to click on the registration link and download the app, either APK for Android or App Store. You see the two options there. This is the Delta app. It has an option for iOS device. So you download according to the device you want to start mining with. The moment you download, install the app, then it will ask you to choose your phone number. Select your phone number. Select your country code. It will ask you to select your country code. Then choose scroll down. If you are in the United States, select United States. If you are in UK, select UK. If you are in Germany, select Germany. If you are in Australia, whichever country you are, just scroll and select your country code. Then enter your phone number. The moment you enter your phone number, proceed to select global access. This global access means that you select two phone number from those numbers that you'll be seeing under the global access. Select those two phone number and you click on continue. Thereafter, copy the spring code. It's an alphanumeric code. Copy it and send SMS using the same phone number that you selected. Using the same phone number you used to register. Use that phone number you used to register to send that spring code to the phone number that you selected as global access. You are to select two phone number for global access. So you send that spring code to each of those phone numbers that you selected as global access. Once you send that SMS, then click on continue. It will roll and tell you verification successful. So if you are still having that issue with verification successful, just keep trying. It will come up. You can see a lot of people have registered here. You can see current people mining. So if you are still having this issue, watch my live stream that I did last. We have live stream every Saturday, 10 a.m. UTC. You can watch my live stream that I did last. I explained it, and I've just explained now in this video as well. So if you follow this procedure, you'll be able to download the Delta app successfully and start mining every 24 hours. So this is what the Delta app look like, and we are only 180,376 miners at the moment. So it's not even up to 500,000 miners. It's not up to 200k miner yet, meaning that you are still very early. Imagine those that started mining Pi 2019. Same thing is happening. It's going to happen with this Delta app. So you are very early. As soon as you're seeing this video, go ahead to the description box of this video, download the app, follow the procedure that I've just explained, or watch my live stream that I did last. I explained about the mining of this Delta app too. So you can follow the instruction and use it to get started with your Delta mining. So that's all for the Delta mining. Now for the Mira. This Mira is very simple. It's just the regular mining. I think it's on App Store as well. There is nothing tedious here. I've even been mining before now. So you just sign up and start mining every 24 hours. You click on this ask icon, then click on it to start mining. I think they have a game currently under development. This gaming is currently under development. And from this setting, you see KYC. The KYC too currently unavailable. So this is me introducing you to some new potential mining apps. You don't have an excuse. I don't want to hear I don't know how to do the pin. We have series of videos about the pin, and these mining apps are the easiest way to earn airdrop, to earn free money, which is the airdrop. So start mining. Check the registration links in the description box of this video. And for this last but not the least, which is the Star Tower, they raised $50 million in funding, as I said earlier. So for this Star Tower, what you need to do here is to download the app. As I mentioned, the app is not yet on App Store. I've not seen it on App Store. So what I am using is an Android device. So download the app, come to this X icon here. Click on open. The moment you download the app, come to this X icon, sign up and make use of the referral code. You will see the referral code in the description box of this video as well. Sign up, complete your registration, use the referral code. Then under this, you are saying this handling depends on your internet or all of those things. You click on open. You click on open to activate the mining. You see, mine is showing enabled because I have activated the mining. If you are just signing up, the moment you click on this human icon or you click on this X, you will be able to see the form to fill to sign up and enter the referral code. Then after you must have signed up, come to this open. This place that is showing enabled, click on it. If you are not seeing enabled, it means that you have not clicked on that open. So you click on that open and start mining. The mining is automatic once it's open. Always click on this refresh to ensure that you are always connected. So if it's not showing enabled, anytime you click on this refresh, click on open back so that it will automatically connect again. So the this icon always has to be on enabled. And this is the Telegram and X accounts. You can follow up from there as well. I will make a subsequent videos on each of these airdrop. As usual, I don't post any videos any airdrop and not do follow up, or I will not tell you when to cash out anything. So you have to follow up on this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be updated. You'll be notified anytime I upload a video on YouTube. And also join my Telegram community, because you might not get the notification fast on YouTube, but once I post a video and I share it on Telegram, and some other amazing updates that we are not even sharing on YouTube that are also on Telegram. So make sure you are following both on my channel, YouTube and Telegram. Check the link in the description box of this video or pin post in the comment section for my Telegram channel link. Subscribe to my YouTube and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my updates back to back. As things involved, I will bring out the subsequent updates to you guys when to the KYC, cash out, and all of that. So I'll wait subsequent updates on this airdrops. I am introducing the previous one, the current one, and the subsequent ones. So stay tuned. We have a lot to do. The money must be made. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also, turn on your notification bell. Join my Telegram community. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.